Hey everybody, Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, back with another contour sanding video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at these spindle mounted Mac Mops. These will sand and perform quite differently than the other items we have available. We do have them larger, but we're going to focus on these today.
The spindle mounted Mac Mops are available in a 7" by 1 and a 7" by 2, both mounted on a 1/4" spindle. This makes it very easy to chuck into a variety of tools. The main difference between these and our other mops is they actually abrade towards your workpiece as opposed to coming in from the side. This makes it a very unique application. The 1" mop is made up of approximately 5 strips across. The 2, on the other hand, is made up of around 10, and you can see from the factory they're pretty crisp. Now once you use them, they will naturally separate at that perforation, which is what makes them a unique product and able to get right into those details. And this is what allows these mops to be a great addition to any contour sanding arsenal. In a relaxed state, they're not a true 7". However, when you're running them, they will open up and spread out. Well, let's look at some ways we can use these mops. Now, naturally, you can chuck it up in a stationary machine and bring your workpiece to it. In this case, I've locked my workpiece down, and I'm actually going to put this into a right-angle drill. This allows me to bring the mop right where I want it, and as you can see, it follows those contours perfectly. This allows me to get every aspect of this leg. So if you're sanding a lot of furniture parts where it's nothing but one continuous variation of contours, the spindle mounted Mac Mop might be right for you. Available in 80 to 240, all you got to do is pick your size and pick your grit, and you can see how these spindle mounted Mac Mops can transform contour sanding in your shop. To learn more, visit us at woodworkingshop.com or any of your favorite social media sites. You can also contact us at 800-228-0000 and someone will be happy to help. Well, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified of future videos as we release them. Well, thanks for watching and have a great day.